Hi everybody. If you want to make this amount, at first I'm gonna have to say I used to make around about like $40 to $50 like a dash. These are some tips I think you can make around about 100. Do not take like $3 orders or $4. So this is exactly before I start dashing. I make sure I filled up my car. I was like $50 orders and higher. And then also I gave myself some leeway. We're gonna take a $5 order. Make sure to be low in miles. If you want me to do a part 2, let me know in those comments, because I'm still kind of new to this. I just want to say, don't you hate when people like make these videos, any type of videos, and they kind of just don't get straight to the point and be like 5 minutes, like 10 minutes long? I hate that, and I be clicking out so fast. So thank you for watching. Bye.